Hey, welcome back to our channel. My name is Bree from 1134 Press, and usually we share journaling and bookmaking inspiration, but today it's going to be a little different. My husband and I bought a house in November, and with it came my own craft room. And over the months, I've been slowly but surely reorganizing and gathering pieces to decorate these bare walls, and I still have a lot of bare walls. So on this channel, I have two DIYs where we upcycle an old book to make a junk journal, but today we are going to upcycle some old books to make wall art. This is a super easy and affordable DIY that you can do to add something to your gallery walls that's unique and different, or add into your own art space. And if while you're watching you feel inspired to hit the like button and subscribe, that will help us greatly. So without further ado, here is the tutorial. For natural vibes, I'm using fake cotton, pine cones, fake succulents, leaves, and moss that I've collected over the years from craft stores and the Dollar Tree. Of course, you want a few books, along with a hanging fixture and other tools that you'll see here. There will be a detailed material list in the description box as well. We're starting by screwing the wall hook fixture to the cover. Not only will this be used for hanging the book, but it will also ensure that your book won't close. Remember to punch guiding holes with your awl before you screw in your hook. Next, we're going to apply 2 layers of Mod Podge to the side of the pages. Let the glue dry in between coats. Fun fact, you can also use this method of applying glue to a stack of papers to DIY a tear-off notepad. Now it's time for the fun part of decorating the book page. I'm using my handy dandy screw punch to make little holes so the stems of my flowers can nestle into the book. I fill the hole with a little hot glue and add glue to the base of my flowers. You'll continue this step for your entire arrangement. Before I started recording, I played around with the arrangement and then took a picture for reference. You may want to try this before you start gluing things down. For this next book, I added hot glue to the stems of the leaves to attach it to the page. In the spots where the hot glue was visible, I added little succulents to cover it up. I'm using a few different kinds of moss for this last book. This one got a little messy. I would recommend adding a layer of Mod Podge to the page first, then work in spray glue in sections of your moss to hold it together. If you don't have spray glue, you can brush Mod Podge directly onto the moss in section. Last summer, I was obsessed with working with moss. I used it to make my junk journal to document the 3-month shutdown in the States, and I also used it to create a Halloween photo album. I'll make sure to link those videos if you need more moss content in your life, because who doesn't need more moss content? Once your books are dry, it is time to hang. I hope you gained some inspiration from this DIY, and remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and tag me in your recreations on Instagram at 1134press. I want to see it and would love to share it. Until then, I will see you on Sunday. Bye!